Answering. If child is lacking generally in confidence, what to do? Simple thing, simple tarika. First of all, do not push that child for certain things which he is not doing. For example, a small child who is a little shy and not talking to anybody coming home, the parents should not push the child and say, "Beta, uncle ko namaste karo, uncle ko ye batao, I mean, what you call poem सुनाओ." सोचते बच्चा सत्यानाश ये अंकल आते ही क्यों हैं, अंकल आते ही क्यों हैं. So, एक तो we will not do pushing. Push means anxiety. Anxiety means child's confidence will be down. Second, making the child do such things which you already know is within his reach. Giving targets which are not easily achievable, then there is again a danger. You know what is the danger? The child will think, इसका मतलब मुझे ये नहीं समझना है, मैं किसी लायक ही नहीं हूँ, इसलिए इतना छोटा छोटा काम दे रखा है. It should not be छोटा छोटा also. It should not be impossible also. Middle level difficulty kind of things, and also making the child do his own things at least independently. ऐसा नहीं कि बच्चा 8वीं में पढ़ रहा है, सॉक्स भी मम्मी पहनाएगी, बटन भी मम्मी से लगाएगी, बाल अगर ऐसा बनाया है कितना खराब लग रहा है, ऐसा कर, अरे ऐसा रहने दो, ऐसा रहने दो. So making the child responsible for his own things, and sometimes I have seen, if you take child's help for something you want to do, doing things with you, all those things will improve the child's. And also models in the sense, not models, models. Parents being a role model is also very important for. The parent will go sit and don't talk to anybody and expect the child should be interacting with everyone. That cannot happen.